about your weather once again. There is a new system that is on the way tonight. See, the winds are starting to kick up out there. The radar is showing some of it. Let's check in with Lisa and find out what the latest is.
Yeah, so that's going to be a cold front that's going to push through. And like David said, already starting to feel those wind speeds kicking up. And they're going to continue to remain in the forecast here through the day tomorrow. Already starting to see some scattered showers lighting up the radar right now. A lot of it's pretty quiet, though. Not seeing the big effects of this system yet, but not ruling out some moderate downpours right along I-5 in Skagit County, Cedar Woolley, all the way to Alger. That's where we're starting to see some of that increasing. So if you are hitting the roadways this evening, expect some low visibilities. And as we head through the day tomorrow, once we get this system, not ruling out some scattered thunderstorms, a little more isolated the further east you head, but more likely the further west you head, including the coast. So keep this in mind for tomorrow. A lot of us through the day are going to have breaks, not even ruling out some sunshine. So a little bit of everything, at least when it comes to the lowlands. Higher elevations like the mountain passes, this is where we're expecting some heavy snow. Watch out for those pass conditions. They are going to drastically change. Expect delays. As we fast forward 12 o'clock in the afternoon, you can see more of those scattered showers. Now, as we fast forward through the evening, take a look at that snow level now starting to drop, and the temperatures are also going to dip down into that freezing category. So not ruling out some lowland snow. Best shot for this will take place into the foothills, and watching for areas like King County stretching up across the north sound. When it comes to significant accumulation, I don't think it will be significant, but not ruling out about a half an inch to about an inch of accumulation there for those lowlands. Now, as we fast forward, taking a look at the wind speeds, they're kicking up already, sustained at 24 miles an hour. We do have a wind advisory for the north sound here through the day tomorrow. Gusts potentially up to 55 miles per hour, not only for portions of the north sound, but also along the coast. So yeah, we've got a lot going on when it comes to the central sound, south sound, and north sound. Just watching out for those scattered showers throughout the day. Gusty winds at times, and then we're going to be watching out for the possibility of some of that lowland snow. Again, more isolated and limited when it comes to the south sound. But as we head into Valentine's Day, this is when we clear out. More sunshine should be really nice. However, just a cold start as temperatures drop down to around freezing, and that is a look what we can expect.